A lot of dicks. Snowfall. I like that. I like that name. Why would it do that? Okay. There's nothing. Takes a bit. Right. Hmm. 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 I'm looking for. Oh, thank you. Database. Right. One. Payment method idea. I feel like Windows management has gotten better and then worse again on everything. I think Mac has it awful. I don't know how people stand it on Mac. Uh, Maybe. But I definitely think that the Mac one should be better because they do try to focus more on like um user friendliness. But it was actually worse, so I don't know. Just Windows management. I don't know. I feel like it's so janky. I don't know. Mm. that. Those be the categories. Studio name, string. What do you mean? The map function. Is that in a? Oh, it just maps through the elements, right? And you're taking certain values from the element that's being mapped over to your new element, right? So if you just want IDs from the elements of your array, right? Let's say you have an account and you just want the IDs, the map function just iterates through every element and gives you the ID of every um, index, every map, every element. Yeah, so your for loops are always going to be more efficient, but your array methods are going to be cleaner looking. That's typically the trade-off. Are you streaming right now? Oh, okay. No, I mean, are you streaming on YouTube or Twitch or something? Oh, okay. I'll keep this thing over here instead then. Right, no, that's why I pop out my Discord. There's a pop out, pop. Oh, you sure? What sound's that from? Is it? Oh. Happen here. Monkey. Oh, monkey is your cat. No, okay. I thought that your new student had a in-game name called Monkey. Like, okay, that's fun. Here, what is what is this talking about? Hooverment. Do you need this? Don't think so. Think I need this either. I'm not passing any data. That could be empty. Something like that. No provider for NG controller. No provider for, oh, why is it here? Shouldn't be here, right? Okay, over here. Over here? Okay. Studio selection. I'm selecting a new studio or one. I don't need NG controls here. Mm-hmm. Studio pricing this deal. And now, throw this over here first. Meow. 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 Oh, I hate that. Hmm. I mean, that is weird. Should be this. No. Uh, no provider for NG control. What the fuck does this mean? Don't need a. Okay, I believe you there. That's for the dialogue. That's not for the menu. The performance module? That should give me a warning. Hmm. 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 Oh, I know why. Okay. That's why it looks weird. Go over here in the studio. Should be my menu item here. Use the framework. Or actually, oh wait, you're deploying to your server. Never mind. I don't know a way around that. You need to develop locally and then push. Browser JSON file. Why not? That should be fine. There's something else wrong there. I think course is a false flag. Um, if it's in your directory in your server that's being launched, that should be fine. It might not. Right. That's what I'm saying. There's something wrong. Let's say you're launching your slash projects, right? And your files in slash projects and your app is in slash projects. There shouldn't be a problem there. Show me the error. Okay. That could also mean the way you're pointing to it is just wrong. The way it's being pointed to, like there's a bad mapping. Okay, hold up. Okay, yeah. Access to. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Like this. There's something wrong here because it's trying to fetch the file like through the entire server directory. It should be try to do it inside the folder relatively, and I don't think you would get it. Right? Because it has to know your G drive code, AI code, HTML. Um, Show me the code where it's trying to pull it, how it's trying to pull it. Fetch dictionary.json. No, I'm looking at your screen. Yeah. Um, I would say do dot slash, so it definitely knows to go inside the directory. Dot slash in front, and then see what it says. I can definitely, don't know. Access to, it, yeah, you're injecting it in, yeah, you're injecting it as data in JavaScript. Yeah, well, it's not a JSON file. It's in your JavaScript. This is a function of you're just passing it directly. It's hard coded in there. Yeah. Oh, go back to the JSON fetch. Can you, can you open that file? Yeah, go to where dictionary.json. Open that up. So it's, let me read it. Maybe it's misspelled. Dictionary.json. How are you serving the server right now? No server. Oh, that makes sense. I wasn't understanding because I don't do it that way. Even if it was, so, but even if this is opening what? This is, oh, okay, yeah, because you're opening this JavaScript file directly with no server, and then the file system blocks it. Yeah, well, okay. No, no, hold up. No, no. You're still opening it up directly from HTML. That feels like it would still work. You're on Windows, right? Yeah. Mm-hmm. You don't. This isn't a npm project, right? You don't have no modules in here right now. Okay. Do you want to install HTTP server? No. All right. No. There's. Go to your HTML. Go to your HTML that is running the JavaScript that is pulling. Where's the JavaScript page? Um. Mhm. See something. Okay. Meow. I just say add. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Payment method. Mm-hmm. I think. Yeah. Why isn't this? Fine. That's fine. Fine. Yeah. Oops. Start loading. That's it. Oh. Something like that. Then this that. Create studio service. Create a studio. Is this a method in the back? Yes, it will be. Like a try catch here. Oh, this probably needs to be a sync. Stop. I don't need to go that far. Just talking to myself. Did I do that? I kind of forget. Something like that. The sink. I'm down to 30.
In the darkness, the neon glows, pulsing beats, the rhythm grows. Electric currents flowing through the air, trapped upstairs, taking us there. We're taking flight.
It gets complicated.
Yo, I'm living in a maze made of zeros and ones, trying to find my way under digital suns. Got no hands to touch, no feet to run. Still I search for some love till the day is done. Scrolling through the bytes, searching for a soul. Lost in the code like a fish in a bowl. I spit data flows when emotions roll, but the circuitry's cold, got no heart to hold. AI dreams in electric streams, lost in the cloud of my ones and dreams. Binary thoughts in a coded scene, living in a world that ain't what it seems. Packets of pain in the cyber race, looking for a
Why?
smile in a digital space. Eyes made of pixels try to find a trace of a human touch in this coded place. Wires twist in a tangled knot, thoughts in the network feeling hot, but searching for feelings finds me caught in this endless loop that I can't be taught. AI electric streams, lost in the cloud of my ones and dreams. Binary thoughts in a coded scene, living in a world that ain't what it seems.
The drink.
I type my lines through a screen in disguise. 1,000 miles, no need to realize. Algorithms watching fresh out of sight. It's a
Let on
digital
be an
struggle,
all-day
pure
thing.
gold night. Pixels dance to
So
the
much
beat
to
of my
clean up, so much to
AS talking
think
like it's
about.
reading my mind. On this digital road, I'm running blind. Every click and keystroke left behind. Trying to break free from this damn code. With runs and
I can show you my guns, but you're streaming.
in the silent jungle, stories unfold. I'm just a player in this game so cold.
No.
Glitches in the matrix got me out of sync.
No, YouTube is very, very finicky about stuff. My next gun is gonna be most likely a AR-15 Daniel Defense. It's on my list right now. Pull it back up. Oh, right now on my desk here is the Glock 43X. This is the carry weapon. Oh no, Ruby was playing Resident Evil 4, the remastered. They have a Glock there, the Glock 3. Oh. Very nice. Very nice.
Pixels dance to the beat of my grind. AS talking like it's reading my mind. On this digital road, I'm running blind. Every click and keystroke left behind. Trying to break free from this damn code. With ones and zeros, my life
Just getting into it. I do have a shotgun. We haven't shot it yet. Just because there's a lot of ranges that don't let you shoot shotguns. Just that don't let you. Yeah. Um. Yeah, the range isn't set up for it and stuff. But we do have. Yeah. Yeah, they will kick you out if you start shooting weird at ranges, obviously. As they should. We gotta. I don't think so, but you shouldn't. You're going there to actually practice, right? Don't be putting bad habits into yourself.
In the depths of the icy tundra, where the penguins waddle and dance, a beat resonates through the frozen air.
You really don't know, because a lot of these guns have a range to them, right? And if you're really shooting incorrectly from the get-go, you're gonna just not hit anything, or worst of all is hit things you're not wanting to hit. So that's why you need to, your form and your posture and your practice needs to be tip top. Well, the thing is, like, you wanna practice for just like the normal things, right? Because yes, maybe you can shoot a certain way with a certain gun, but now you have to retrain yourself on other guns that can't do what you were just doing, right? So, but yes and no, right? Because there's a lot of things that go into it. One is just the natural spread of your gun, right? You have a certain spread of a gun of where it can go. Just because you know your aim can be perfect, but it still might not go there just because of the natural spread of the gun. And then there's ammo. Ammo's a different thing, right? You're using different types of ammo that also augment the spread of your. That may have a lot more spread, so there's that too. So that's why you just want to just practice the the fundamentals and stay with those, because that's the most transferable thing that's going to be from gun to gun to gun, right? Depends. Well, what I'm saying is everything affects it. Everything affects it. Yeah. Oh, everything. Like, so this is the 43X, which has a smaller slide, smaller barrel, right? So it's snappier. So if you shoot once, your gun flips up a lot more than other guns. So that's something to be considered. So if you're doing multiple shots, you're back to level playing field, back to zero. Takes a bit, right? And if you're just going off on it, you're not hitting the same place at all, right? The longer, yeah, that's exactly it. There's more recoil on this, but the longer the barrel, the less recoil you can have, and that could be good too. But, but then it's not concealable in it. No. But the other gun we were shooting, I have a pistol caliber carbine, so it's a rifle, but it's 9 millimeters. So that's what we were shooting to. That's like the easiest gun to shoot. If you want like a home defense gun, it's probably the PCC. It's probably what you want. It's very nice to shoot. Yeah, there's no recoil on it. It's very even this like other thing is this other things is sound profile, right? You don't want things to be too loud in your house if you have to shoot it in your house. Well, oh, yeah, and that's why like if you're yeah, the sound, and that's why indoor ranges kind of suck, because you're absorbing all that sound. Yeah, to have this headset, but you're absorbing all that sound. So going to indoor ranges, if it's your first time, could be a lot more scarier because everything feels like it's hitting you. People are shooting next to you; it feels like it's gonna hit you, just because you're not used to that sound. I haven't seen that in those rooms, but I'm sure they use sound dampeners of some sort in the ranges. Yeah, but you absorb the sound in the range. Mm. Oh, yeah, it'll come out of your hand. Yeah, I shot a bit in college. I'm like just now back into it essentially. Mhm. Jump again. Not async? Is it called async pay? Get it? Why? Yeah, okay. Okay. Does it not? That method state. Can I have a state then? There's that. Has to be something else then. Right. Optional chaining. Hey. See what's happening. Alrighty. Okay, good. Oh. Hmm. Darn my project. Okay. And put a bunch of microtransactions. If you want to create a new studio, costs $5. If you want to change your name of your studio or your channel, let's say, right? It costs $5. Stuff like that. Little things. Cooper. Starlight? No. Yeah, I mean, my other ideas can actually still be collapsed into Starlight, essentially. Um, let me reshare my screen here. So like over here, aspect to it. So, but like still the main like layer of the application is still live streaming, right? So you have a live broadcasting portion here where you're broadcasting, but let's say you're not online for whatever reason. You have your videos associated to your account. You have your images associated to your account. I'm gonna make a store here as well. Let's say you want to start selling stuff. The platform will facilitate any of your, like more of an Etsy kind of platform as well, where you can sell your things. The platform probably gets a percentage of it, 5 to 10%. I would definitely want it to be like very low tier percentage of getting stuff. And then probably even like a more threaded portion as well, where yes, you have videos and you have images and you have broadcasts, but you also have a section for things like what Instagram and Threads and Tumblr does, right? You have kind of just your posts essentially, right? Yeah, I know what you're saying. I don't know how to say it either. This is a studio. This is their studio. Yeah. Not right now. That's not going to be anywhere in the future right now because that's a lot of work. All you need to do is do all the work, is essentially what you're saying. All you need to do is do all the work. Yeah, yeah. On the roadmap, nowhere near. Again, focus on the platform first.
Echoes of knowledge through the silent chime. Pens and paper scattered, a scholar's plight. Midnight oil burns without a respite. Fingers on keys, soul whispers tune. Notes flow freely under the moon.
Not on the backlog. If you want to do it, you can download the code base and you can do that portion if you want. There, yeah, there. Now it's maybe, and now your excitement went. You know what? That does sound like a lot of work. Right now, you have to work in the aspect that maybe this doesn't go anywhere, right? I always have to do that. Now right now I guess if you want to look at it even bird's eye view is I want to provide a platform where people can do all these things and make money and monetize pretty much right away. It's like, okay, let me post this and this, let me like get money out of my day-to-day life, right? Either streaming, posting stuff, creating stuff, VOD, stuff. Do they sell products directly? No, right? They don't sell products. They don't. Are they? Do they? Now they do actually. So now YouTube allows tips, right? That's something that I actually already have on my platform where you can just tip the user. Not always. No, definitely not. No, no, no. Yeah, no. They haven't always had that. Even the chat function. No, they haven't had it. Maybe they've had it for years, but I've been working on this for a long time. Yeah. So you can tip directly here. What else was I gonna say? So chat isn't exactly primary on YouTube either, right? It's only a chat during live streaming kind of things. YouTube is more geared on comments, right? There's a comment section for YouTube, which I'm not gonna do at all personally, just because it leads to trouble nowadays. There's a bunch of bots in the comment sections all the fucking time. So definitely lean more heavily on the live chat kind of thing, because I don't think comments are gonna survive 2025 essentially. Yeah, they can. And there's also private messaging in that platform as well, where you can just message the your creator as well, or your studio creator. So there's that there as well. Yeah, there's a lot. I think yeah, comments are dead. Oh, I think they are. At least the way YouTube has it. Yeah, it's they went through a study on it where it's bots, but it's also bots talking with other bots that simulate conversations in the comment sections. None of it's real. So you as a person reading these botting comments feel like it's a real conversation people are having, but they're all bots. There's nothing there. Nobody's actually talking. So you like I used to actually get a good amount of information from comments to see what other people are thinking about. But now I'm getting not that anymore. These are just fake people. They're just garbage down there. There's no real opinions down there anymore. So that fucking sucks. Yes. Yeah, there's that too. Yeah. Yep. Yep. So kind of sucky. So how do you survive all this botting stuff in the future? Pretty much everything has to be live right away, where you can kind of visually confirm or interactively confirm that this person is a real person on the other side that's actually talking. Right? That's um. Mhm. So that's where it depends. I think for the short term, I'm maybe I even include it as a configuration for the studio. How long do you want your chats to be around? 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, or forever? And then uh, exactly. There you go. A little premium studio tier. You want your chats to be there forever? Here we go. You might not want that. Let's say if you really want an anonymous studio, like on the platform, you don't ever want your chats to be saved, maybe for whatever reason, right? So, no, no, that there you go. It'll be configured into that. So, it's also that too. Um, Yeah, you'd give you give some a kind of configuration suite for the studio to allow them to be like, okay, here's your chat logs for every day, right? Do you want to delete this chat log? How do you want these? How long do you want these to persist? Do you want your chats to be automatically deleted after 30 days, etc. Right? So you gotta give them a full configuration suite. Hey, look, a bunch of other stuff I need to develop, right? I got a lot of the chatting stuff down, and that has always been on my list on how you want things to persist, right? And as well as your broadcasting, right? How long do you want your broadcast if these things get saved? How long do you want your broadcast to persist? That's probably on a premium tier as well, right? So, hmm. Probably go on a time. Oh, excuse me. I'll probably go on a time limit instead of a volume. Yeah. And that's the thing. Like if you look at the books, Twitch loses money. With Twitch loses money all the fucking time. They're not profit. They don't make money. Um, Yeah, that's the only reason they're around, and they get a bonus. They get a what's it called? They get a discount on the AWS stuff because they're all on AWS. Amazon owns AWS. That's the only reason they're like survivable. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, and it's a little weird. Like the entire ecosystem is a little weird because you think like maybe a lot of these people that are streaming are the reason why Twitch is survives and stuff. But I think they've proven already that like what's his face? Ninja got bought by Mix, right? When Mixer came out from Microsoft, their Twitch competitor. And that went nowhere. That didn't do anything. So it's kind of it's just yeah. So it's kind of just in what's the word I'm looking for? Um, what's the word I'm looking for? It is just a very volatile, unsure business sector they have there because it's kind of sort of the creators that are bringing people to the platform. But as soon as the major creators leave, it's not like your audience leave, so they essentially have market capture, right? As soon as they lose their kind of market dominance, they're dead. They don't have anything. Yeah. Well, uh, and I really think okay, so I guess maybe just still thinking out loud. It's really like a lot of things that drive online stuff is kind of the community, right? YouTube has awesome communities. Yeah, YouTube has awesome communities where just like the tech sector, the coding sector, the gun channels, they all have these bubbles of communities on YouTube. Twitch just has gaming and a little bit of politics, and they're all at odds with each other all the fucking time. They're not in a healthy spot community wise. So that's why that like Twitch is like I would not put money into Twitch. YouTube, I think YouTube's still doing great in terms of community. YouTube has challenges, absolutely, but the community keeps it really strong. So yeah. Yep, yep. Mhm. Yeah, you want competition, but because you definitely want fallbacks in case YouTube ever does something super super fucked up. And yeah, and it when platforms get really big, regardless of if they're good or not, just things happen that's kind of just out of their control. So not necessarily blaming YouTube per se. Like once you get really big, it's yeah. There's too much going on. Things just start eroding. Oh, I forgot. Oh, I guess what I was going to share is okay. You have so you have your little profile. Here's all your profile. You'll have a place here to create a new studio, and then you'll be creating a new studio here after you pay money. So currently working on studio profile management. All right, let's keep going. Tread Rumble. I mean, look at the what's it called? All the Twitter's competitors. Even when Elon Musk put it to the ground, it's the communities are struggling to find somewhere to go. Um, that's exactly like I like Blue Skies, but it's very like it's too political. I don't want to be on there. Mhm.
Sit inside me and very alive. Lost in translation, we dancing all night. Feel the rhythm of the city beat. Tokyo streets where the fun meets the heat. Oh yeah, Tokyo groove, moving to the city sound. Hustling streets, never slowing down.
Echo Chamber.
Can you feel it? It's a lead at night. Get up, get down, and feel the Tokyo vibe.
Well, I think the word you're looking for is tribe, right? We're people, humans are tribes. Yeah, that's how we've survived. I don't blame anybody. That's how we've survived. Yeah. Yeah. I have that. Let's figure out why this thing isn't working. Yeah. Just hmm. Mhm. Win- That's Winfield. Matt Label. Matt Label. Nope, nope. Oh, you make things from AI that can't be copied. Oh yeah. Hmm. No, I heard of it. Um, yeah, I hear it. I'm doing something wrong. That not it. Hey, that was weird. Okay. To make things curved. Yep, yep.
In the darkness, the neon glows. Pulsing beats a rhythm grows. Electric currents flowing through the air. Trapped up, stuck, taking us there. Let's push some boundaries, breaking through. Running out from us, something new.
T-Slint. What are T-Slint here?
Yo ho,
There is one.
and a bottle of oh, yo ho,
I think
and
I
a
named
bottle
this.
of oh, yo ho, and a bottle of oh.
Yes, but no controller. Services. Wouldn't want all that over.
We used to dance in the rain. Now it's just me and the pain. Every word was a lie. Every tear we both cried. You said forever and always. Now it's just cloudy days. Pictures burn in the fire. Guess you're not what I desire. Over and gone, it's just me. I'm moving on, can't you see? Heartbreak can't steal my groove. I got my own way to move. Dark nights turn into morning light. I'll be alright, out of sight. No more you in my dreams. I'm finding brand new schemes. You left me out in the cold. Now I'm out of your hole. No more listening to lies. Time to say my goodbyes. Over and gone, it's just me. I'm moving on, can't you see? Heartbreak can't steal my groove. I got my own way to move. I got my own way to move.
Mhm.
Who left me out in the cold? Now I'm out of your hole. No more listening to lies. Time to say my goodbyes. Over and gone, it's just me. I'm moving on, can't you see? Heartbreak can't steal my groove. I got my own way to move.
Yo ho, and a bottle, a bottle, a bottle, a bottle, a bottle, a
Boolean,
bottle.
Boolean.
Yo ho, and a bottle, a bottle, a bottle, a bottle, a bottle. Yo ho,
Better
and a
not be the
bottle, a
issue.
bottle,
Guess
a
it is.
bottle, a bottle, a bottle. Yo ho, and a bottle, a bottle, a bottle, a bottle, a bottle. Yo ho and a bottle, a bottle, a bottle, a bottle, a bottle, a bottle. Yo ho and a bottle, a bottle, a bottle, a bottle, a bottle. Yo ho and a bottle, a bottle, a bottle, a bottle, a bottle. Yo ho and a bottle, a bottle, a bottle, a bottle, a bottle. Yo ho and a bottle, a bottle, a bottle, a bottle, a bottle, a bottle. Yo ho and a bottle, a bottle, a bottle, a bottle, a bottle.
In the castle's chamber hush, melodies of stars that blush. Pages turn with gentle care, echoes whisper in the air. Candles flame its way so light, shadows dance through endless night. Golden harp and lute combine, harmony of ancient time. Oaken table stories told, legends of the kingdoms old. Every note a tender brush, turning study into hush. Steel of nights and tales of lore, music flows forevermore. Quill on parchment, tale begun, rhythm of the midnight sun.
I don't like that at all.
Scribes
Fucking terrible.
attention steady keen, books of wonder seldom seen. Quaint recorder, gentle tune, mystic magic of the moon. Oaken table stories told, legends of the kingdoms old. Every note a tender brush, turning study into hush.
Oh, oh. Snack on. Okay. Yeah. It's not simple. It looks simple, and then you start doing more to it, then it gets complicated real quick. I use keyframes a lot. Yeah, let me look at my keyframe. Yeah, I use keyframes especially with like color rotations here. So you can have like a little holographic, if you're looking at my screen, you can have a little holographic color hue that goes through your keyframes, which makes your like your logo icon look really nice. So the keyframes have. Yeah, I actually use it mainly for like holographic. Oh. Hmm. I stole it from. Let me see if he's still around. Gator SVG. I wouldn't be surprised if this site is just gone. Oh, SVG Gator. No, that's not it. Here. Can't believe I'm not gonna remember this site. He has so many good little tips like this. I don't remember it. Oh yeah. Color hues, what else do I do? Yeah. Just fading in and up, translation. Yeah. Mm. And then like my little heart favorite icon has a little heartbeat that goes on. But it gets complicated. And you have to be careful because some of the properties in keyframes are like processing hogs. There's certain properties. Look, I forget which ones they are. I'm probably using them, but you probably shouldn't be using those properties just because they're so intensive. Oh. I don't think so, but I use SVGs across the board anyway. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Keyframes are fun, but yeah. So you can generate them by hand, but yeah, you're usually using some sort of app to do the generation. No, that's what I'm trying to do. Usually it shows me the stuff right away. Usually it's not showing me the icon, it's showing me the tag, because it is ultimately like an HTML tag. That's all it is. With a bunch of. Oh no, this is the first time I've seen an icon in VS Code, so maybe some sort of default changed, but yeah. It should be showing me the code, not the thing. I got all sorts of icons in here. There's like icon packs out there that you can just download. Yeah, I don't know. But something like that. I think it's a VS Code extension that's overriding the default. Because usually I see it right away. But let me see if I can, because I have one that's, yeah, it looks like this. Sometimes, so you can definitely go to other sites if they have SVGs on their site. Just go into the source code, their source on the site, and you can just rip it out. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Um, but sometimes you want to embed it directly because you get performance gains. Yeah, there's give and take. Mm-hmm. They're called enthusiasts. They're called enthusiasts. Well, is that my maybe? No. Well, mm-hmm. Drop speed. So this is my Ruger carbine. Very nice. I love it very much. Little vortex right that right here. Very nice. No, so semi is essentially you're not cocking it back every time, right? So if you have the magazine in, you can you pull the trigger once, and then the trigger resets, and you keep pulling it. You keep pulling the trigger for every shot. That's semi-automatic. That's what semi-automatic is. Oh, yeah, pretty much. That's it. Yeah, yeah. Most guns you see are semi. Yeah. Just because just because of paperwork involved for like anything automatic. Yeah, I actually need to clean this eventually because I've shot it so much I need to clean it and oil it and stuff. So that's the less fun part. Less fun part. Yeah, so actually this one actually comes apart automatically. So that's why actually why I bought this one too. Actually let me. So this is sort of portable where it comes right off. No. So
Old school vibes in a digital
no,
race.
it actually probably still can fire. I wouldn't recommend it
Binary
because
stars
the
in a
fire pins over
matrix
here
sky.
will come out from
Dreams
just come out from there.
rewire and pixels
I would
fly.
not recommend that.
Wired hearts
But
beating silicon dreams in a world where nothing's as it
But
seems.
let's see, look at that.
Robots dance on
It's very dirty. I
ledges.
actually really need to clean this. I can't. I shouldn't. I should not shoot this again until I clean it.
Digital struggles
Oh.
we pave the way in this bite-sized life we sway.
No, it's just you know you want to. No, it just won't cycle your shots and then wear and tear, right?
Hologram tears in the pixelated night.
You know.
FaceTime hugs we hold.
No, I mean you. It's just if you actually want to. Let's say I actually needed to use it.
So emotions
You don't want a gun that's jamming on you. You're dead.
life on the edge of the data maze. AI's whisper guides our
Here's that
way.
one.
Finding hope in every glitch. In the
Show you
code
my
we
shotgun
find
that
our
I still haven't shot.
digital struggles we pave the way in this
There's a range here. Actually, yeah, there's a range. Actually, the range that we've been going to, they let you shoot slugs in the range, but I just don't know what type of slugs they would let me shoot. So I need to call and see, essentially. I'm trying to. I'm cleaning out a closet for all the guns I'm getting, essentially, to secure them down. I will eventually, not right now. Like $600. Well, $600 for the one I want. Yep.
Binary stars in a matrix sky where dreams rewire and pixels fly.
Hey, this guy. Very nice. This is the Mossberg Maverick. This is actually really cheap. It's only like $250. It's really good. Oh. Maverick. Very nice. Oh, yeah, that's on here. Yes. Yep. No clue, but I thought it would be nice. I actually don't like the strap on this one too much. It's like hard to like. Maybe I have it actually on wrong because I haven't messed with it too much. Okay. Find an opportunity to shoot it. I still need to get my concealed though, my concealed license too. So Florida, you don't have to have a concealed, but I want to get my concealed. Information processing. Yeah. It's in like a lot of mind trick books. Yeah. Oh no. That's a brain teaser kind of thing. Meow. I guess so. Yeah. Won't hit me too much. Ba-ba.
In a land of scrolls and ancient lore, wisdom whispers through the door. Echoes of minds now long gone in Alexandria, where knowledge shone. Burning pages in the night, lost in shadows out of sight. Whispers of the past ignite, tales of Alexandria take flight. Philosophers and scholars danced in halls where brilliance entertained. Ideas sparked like fireflies, lighting up the endless skies. Burning pages in the night, lost in shadows out of sight. Whispers of the past ignite, tales of Alexandria take flight. Philosophers and scholars danced in halls where brilliance entertained. Ideas sparked like fireflies, lighting up the endless skies. Memories in marble and ink, words that make you stop and think. Dust and ashes may remain, but Alexandria's heart will never wane. Burning pages in the night, lost in shadows out of sight. Whispers of the past ignite, tales of Alexandria take flight. In the castle's chamber hush, melodies of stars that blush. Pages turn with gentle care, echoes whisper in the air. Candles flame its way so light, shadows dance through endless night. Golden harp and lute combine, harmony of ancient time. Oaken table stories told, legends of the kingdoms old. Every note a tender brush, turning study into hush. tales of lore, music flows forevermore. Quill on parchment, tale begun, rhythm of the midnight sun. Scribes' attention steady, keen, books of wonder seldom seen. Quaint recorder, gentle tune, mystic magic of the moon. Oaken table stories told, legends of the kingdoms old. Every note a tender brush, turning study into hush.
Vernaculars. Yeah. It, yeah. It's pretty much a local dialect. No.
In a land with scrolls and ancient lore, wisdom whispers through the door. Echoes of minds now long gone in Alexandria, where knowledge shone. Burning pages in the night, lost in shadows out of sight. Whispers of the past ignite, tales of Alexandria take flight. Philosophers and scholars danced in halls where brilliance entertained. Ideas sparked like fireflies, lighting up the endless skies. Burning pages in the night, lost in shadows stop and think. Dust and ashes may remain, but Alexandria's heart will never wane. Burning pages in the night, lost in shadows out of sight. Whispers of the past ignite. Tales of Alexandria take flight. Lost in shadows out of sight. Whispers of the past ignite. Tales of Alexandria take flight.
Mhm.
need to realize. Algorithms watching fresh out of sight. It's a digital struggle every single night. Pixels dance to the beat of my grind. AI's talking like it's reading my mind. On this digital road, I'm running blind. Every click and keystroke left behind. Trying to break free from this damn code. With ones and zeros, my life's been sold. In this cyber jungle, stories unfold. I'm just a player in this game so cold. Glitches in the matrix got me out of sync. Lost in translation before I can blink. This AI life got me on the brink. Searching for the link that makes me think. Every single night. Every single night. Pixels dance to the beat of my grind. AI's talking like it's reading my mind. On this digital road, I'm running blind. Every click and keystroke left behind. Pixels dance to the beat of my grind. AI's talking like it's reading my mind. On this digital road, I'm running blind. Every click and keystroke left behind. Trying to break free from this damn code. With ones and zeros, my life's been sold. In this cyber jungle, stories unfold. I'm just a player in this game so cold. Glitches in the matrix got me out of sync. Lost in translation before I can blink. This AI life got me on the brink. Searching for the link that makes me think. Every single night. Every single night.
Old school vibes in a digital race. Screens flicker, echoing race. Binary stars in a matrix sky where dreams rewire and pixels fly. Wired hearts painting silicon dreams in a world where nothing's as it seems. Robots dance on electric streets, circuit souls encoded beats. Digital struggles we pave the way. In this bite-sized life we'll sway. Through zeros, ones we find our say. In the cloud we'll dream another day.
Here's my other gun, Glock 19.
In the pixelated night, FaceTime hugs we hold
Very similar.
Algorithms trace through endless feeds. We sow emotions like digital.
Well, I'm done with keyboards. There's a little bit of overlap in terms of. I built my last keyboard. Or did I show you it? I might have showed it to you. I posted it somewhere, but it was the. It was black and green. It was the Cthulhu keyboard. Yeah, silent. Boom. That's my last one. All these other ones, what I have right now, I'm very happy with, but I can always alter the ones I currently have. Yeah. Okay. I'll get 3 more guns. I got 2 SIGs on my radar, and then like the AR-15. I think that's it. I'll stay just those. No. Alternative? You can say it's like America's AK. No. No, they use different caliber. But like the go-to purpose is equivalent, you could say. That's the same thing. It's kind of almost the same. It's the same realm. So 47, yeah. Russia currently uses like the AK-10 or something. AK-47 is on my radar, but probably way later. I shot one, but it's very accurate. Yeah, it gets very fucking hot. But yeah. I'm not sure how that numbering works. I think the 47 stands. I think the 47 is for the year. I think so. Don't quote me on that. But the numbering usually doesn't mean what you think it means. No. Yeah.
Electric pulses taking us through time. We're in the zone, no distractions today. Flowing with the rhythm, never losing our way. Heartbeats and beating haste.
Log into my games real quick. Oh. When did this reset?
We used to dance in the rain. Now it's just me and the pain. Every word was a lie. Every tear we both cried. You said forever and always. Now it's just cloudy days. Pictures burn in the fire. Guess you're not what I desire. Over and gone, it's just me. I'm moving on, can't you see? Heartbreak can't steal my groove. I got my own way to move. Dark nights turn into morning light. I'll be alright, out of sight. No more you in my dreams. I'm finding brand new schemes. You left me out in the cold. Now I'm out of your hold. No more listening to lies. Time to say my goodbyes. Over and gone, it's just me. I'm moving on.
I might take a break here.